Hello, I'm Dr. Yasir. I passed MBBS in year of 2010 from Pune, DY Patil Medical College. Then I passed DNB in medicine from CMRI Hospital, Kolkata in year of 2017. Then I decided to do MRCP, but what to study, what not to study, I was really very confused. Then I have an idea, and one of my friends told me regarding SsAcademy. So I got here. I took 2-day courses, and I must tell regarding the courses was awesome, and the methodology of his teaching is really very amazing.
From now, each and every topic, each and every organ system, and factors, these also, whatever the harmful agents, and that's the body. Target the heart, all in the brain. Maximum to the lungs, mind, we'll see that. But the brain and heart is the target. So what you can do? Heart arrhythmias, brain arrhythmias, the seizures, convulsions, all that, right? So yes, this is the target. If you can do it.
The mnemonics and the tricks are very nice courses he is giving. So I must tell to my all juniors and seniors, please join SsAcademy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.